Hello guys, welcome to BuddyDevelopers. I'm Naveen. So now Geodirectory download photos add-on have a new update, and in the 3.0 version of this plugin, there is a setting which you can enable and disable download photos functionality for any particular listing. So I will show you a demo of this plugin. In order to do so, I will go here in the backend of one of my local website, and I will click on plugin and add new. So since I have already downloaded the plugin, so I will go here and click on upload, and then from the download folder, here is my plugin. I will select this plugin and install it. So now the plugin is installed. I will activate it. So the plugin has been activated now. So here in the front end of this particular listing, in the photos tab, you see photos, but you don't see any download button here. And if you want a download button here somewhere, which is the actual functionality of the plugin called Geodirectory download photos, the next step is to select any of the CPT that you have. So for example, I want this functionality for business listing. So I will go here in the settings. So here in the setting, we have another custom field, allow download photos. I will add this custom field, and you can change the label and description of the field here, and you can also select it checked or unchecked. For now, I will keep this setting as it is. I will save it, and here in the front end, I want the download functionality for this particular listing. So for that, I will go and edit this particular listing, and I can edit it from the back end and from the front end like a normal Geodirectory listings. You can edit any of the Geodirectory listings. So I'm editing it from the back end right now. So when I edit it, here I see a new field called allow download photos. I will check this field. This field is marked required, but there is a setting in the custom field section. You can make it unrequired if you want. Okay, so I've enabled this allow download photos for this particular listing. I will save it. So now the listing is saved. I will go and refresh this particular page. So this is how through Geodirectory download photos add-on, you can allow any particular listing to enable or disable download photos functionality for their listing. And if I check any of the listing where this option is yet not enabled, and if I refresh this page, here you don't see any download button. So that means the download button only appears when it is enabled. So it's very important functionality and useful for some of the listing website. If you feel it is useful for your website, you can download it here, and the payment is one-time payment, $30, $29.99. And it's one-time payment and lifetime support plugin. So you'll get lifetime support for this particular plugin and timely updates too. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.